Hello everyone, today we're looking at a singular intermediate algebra problem. It's the 1952 AHSME problem 40. So in order to draw a graph of ax squared plus bx plus c, we have a table of the values of x in equally spaced increasing orders, in which we don't know what they actually are, but we know their values are all of these. And we're trying to find which of these values are incorrect. So this is another one of those problems where if you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, there's like no way to solve it, because as we know, AHSME is just like game C where you don't get a calculator, so there's no way you actually graph out a function like this. But essentially, the trick here is not a trick. The thing you have to know here is that the second difference of quadratics are constant. And this applies to other polynomials as well. Third difference of cubics, I think fourth difference of quartics, and so on and so forth. So basically, we take the difference of all of these, and then I'm not going to write down the VS Code. We don't have time, but basically we get these values, 125, 127, 131, and realize that it shouldn't be dropping from 131 to 129, because the second difference, since it's an equally spaced increasing value, the second difference should be constant and not go from a 2 to a negative, from a 4 to a negative 2, and then go back to 133 again. That just doesn't make sense. So this point would not work if it was 4225, but no, wait, sorry. This point would not work since it's 4227, but if it was 4225, the common difference would be, what is it? Yeah, correct. It will be 125, 127. This will be 129, this will be 131, and this will be 133, and that would work. So 4227 is the incorrect one, giving our answer E. Okay, that's it for the video today. Thanks. Okay, so today it's also a weekday, and I do need to go to bed early because we have a math competition early in the morning tomorrow. So today I grinded for about 4.5 hours. Yeah, 4 hours and 36 minutes up to this time, because, well, I guess I'm counting making videos as grind time, even though it really isn't. But here's what we did today. Also notice that in the order of videos I should be making this problem, but this is actually a really good problem that like I reviewed like a bunch of times, and I feel like I should make it in like a bigger, better video, which I have more time to actually solve it before making a video over it. So I just jumped over this one, and I'm doing a video over that probably tomorrow while we're doing this one for today. And this one is significantly easier, as you saw in the video. It's like 2 minutes long. And yeah, so today basically I mocked the 2021 Fall AMC 10A and got 97.5. The qualification back in the day was 96, and I did silly like one or two, I think, and then I also did. There was like a few problems that I just don't know what I was doing. I could have definitely done it, but I just didn't do it. So yeah, and I also spent a bunch of time reviewing the problems. I wrote a review for all of these algebra problems, so that's good. And then I did one more geometry problem from before that I forgot to do, so those took a little bit of time. So that's how I got 4 hours and 30 minutes just by doing one mock, because I was also reviewing and doing stuff. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.